Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video I'm gonna show you a really cool life hack with pants. Have you ever been in the situation in the store when you found the pants and you know the length is correct but you're not sure about the waist and there's no fitting room around, or you just don't have time to go and try them on yourself? There is actually a cool life hack how to check if the waist is correct for you without even going to the fitting room. When you found pants that you like at the store, all you need to do is button them like this and see if your arm from elbow to knuckles like this will fit. Let's check it out. Like this here. And if your arm fits, that means pants will be sitting perfectly on your waist. Let's do it again. So I'm gonna button the pants and see if my arm fits like this. You see that? Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time.